Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll walk you through installing and using the Excel add-in for Zoho CRM by Devart. This tool is designed to help you easily manage and manipulate your Zoho CRM data directly within Excel. Let's get started. First, you should visit the Devart website to download the Excel add-in for Zoho CRM. Locate the download link, follow the on-screen instructions, and complete the installation. Before we get started, let's preview the leads we'll be importing and modifying for this example. This step helps you understand the data we'll work with. Once the add-in is installed, open Excel. To connect to Zoho CRM, click on Get Data. Then click Web Login and authorize the application to your Zoho CRM account. This step ensures secure access to your data. Once authorization is complete, you have to test the connection to confirm that everything is working as expected. Now, you should select the data source object you want to import. In our case, we'll choose Leads. After selecting Leads, you'll see a data preview. Review it to ensure it matches what you're expecting. Switch to Edit mode to make changes to your data. This mode allows you to edit and refresh your Zoho CRM data directly in Excel. Go ahead and modify some rows to see how the editing process works. Make any changes necessary for your data need. Once you've made your edits, click Commit to update the records in Zoho CRM. The add-in will validate the data and highlight any errors so you can fix them before finalizing. Head over to Zoho CRM and check to see that the changes you made in Excel are now reflected in your CRM data. Try adding new rows directly in Excel and then click Commit to push the new data to Zoho CRM. Go back to Zoho CRM to verify that your new rows have been successfully added. And that's it! With the Devart Excel add-in for Zoho CRM, you can easily import, edit, and update your data directly from Excel. Be sure to try out the free 30-day trial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.